And J.O. paminsan-minsan. Ako ngayon, now for the outside, moving up, unpredictable down, Alejandro Admiral Contender, while Abateca is running in a tail of the field, out of straight day trouble, unpredictable from the outside, leads by Polang, followed by Ako ngayon, and racing on the outside, third is down, Alejandro, 2 lengths back now, paminsan-minsan alongside Admiral Contender, while Abateca still running in a tail of the field, into the back day traveler. Ako ngayon, down Alejandro, moving up now, passing the half mile is now down Alejandro, leads by Triple Baleng, followed by Ako ngayon. Unpredictable is running in third, 4 lengths back, Admiral Contender, paminsan-minsan, long way back. Abateca, who's still running in a tail of the field inside the last 600. Down Alejandro leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Ako ngayon, and moving up now, unpredictable and Admiral Contender, and towards the final turn is still down. Alejandro leads by some 6 to 7 lengths now over Ako ngayon, Admiral Contender, and moving up is Abateca, but still down. Alejandro leads by some 2 lengths over Ako ngayon, and finally down Alejandro, Ako ngayon, Abateca, and Admiral Contender.
5-3-2-6. Ang ganda ng tinakbo ngayon.